This video demonstrates how to use Cloud Secure Print to print a document uploaded to a Brother device via a web browser. On your Brother device, press Apps. Press Cloud Secure Print. Read any information that appears, and then press OK. When the two-step printing information appears, press OK. Press How to register a print job. Press Web page. When the Brother device's email address appears, press OK. Registration instructions that include the Cloud Secure Print portal address and the device's unique printer ID will print. To upload the file, go to the Cloud Secure Print portal. Type the device's unique printer ID. Click Send. Click File to select the file you want to print. Click Send. Configure the settings you want. To receive confirmation that the document has been registered, enter an email address. Click Send. A confirmation message displays the password to enter on your Brother device. On your Brother device, press Apps. Press Cloud Secure Print. Press Enter Password. Enter the password and then press OK. Your document will print.